Let's have a look at that consumer credit table. Each consumer credit score is an individual outcome, and it fits into a range. We can think of every one of those ranges in the tables as their own event. For instance, somebody with a 603 credit score fits in the event or the range 600 through 649. And for that matter, so would somebody with a 604 credit score or a 605. The interest rates are the associated random variable, the single number that is assigned to each event in the experiment. One item of housekeeping before we break is it's very clear from this example that different outcomes can fit into the same event and then be assigned the same numeric random variable value. However, I just want to point out that even two or more events could, in theory, also share the same numeric random variable. If in our case, it would be like two different credit ranges sharing the same interest rate.